Hello everybody. Hey to all of my beautiful friends. I'm back today with one more Chrome text effect from Hyperpix Collections. So if you'd like to download this template, you just need to refer to hyperpix.net. And by joining the VIP membership, you're going to have access to all of our templates and styles. This template, which you see right here, is a combination of metal and chrome, which is brilliant, and it allows you to convert your text or your logo into this so premium quality and amazing style. Just check out the details without needing you to have any knowledge in Photoshop or spend a long time. It's so easy to work with it, and I'm going to prove it to you in the next few minutes. So let's get started with editing this beautiful style. So just right click on the layer and click edit content. So in the window which appears right here, we have two texts right here which you can just easily double click on each one and type your ideal text, any text you want, and have a handle on it and make edits on it. You can also change the font or change the language. There's no limits with the font. So you can just drag around the pattern and place it wherever you think it looks better. You can minimize the size of the text with Control and T, just like this. The same with the text at the bottom. So it's so easy, and as you see, I have my final result. I'm going to close and click save. So here we have our amazing, magnificent result. Just see how simple and easy we was able to get to this attractive chrome style. So I'm going to explain the rest of the layers. From the first folder, which is sparkles, we're going to start. Like all of our other designs, we have these sparkles right here, which play a very important role in giving beauty to our style. I suggest to place them on the edges and the corners of the text to have a lovely light reflection, and it makes your style much more attractive and it makes it stand out much more. So you can also delete any you don't need, or you can just get copies of them with Alt and drag them all over. So the next folder is lines right here, which is the line at the top and the line at the bottom right here, which you can just double click and type your ideal text on top of it. The lines folder is just to give a little beauty and fill up the top and the bottom, so it doesn't have a very important part in the style. So the effects folder contains the main layers of the style and the complications, which I suggest to just ignore it. So finally we have the lights folder right here, which is this pretty light shining from down here, as you see, which you can just move it around, just double click, and by selecting color overlay you can have any color you want and get to some totally new results and colors. So as easy as you saw, our text is converted into this chrome style. So now I'm going to use a logo and see how this style is going to work on a logo. So we're going to come back to this window right here. So over here I'm going to just insert a logo. I decided to use the Coca-Cola logo. Just drag it right here, place it right in the center. If it's clicked right here, you just need to insert it into the bottom layer, drag it onto it and let go. As you see, it's inserted. Just delete the first two layers, which are the text. Also the yellow layer which is left, just remove it. So what we have left is only this text layer right here. So I'm going to switch the eye off it, just minimize the logo a little, and as I said earlier, place it right in the center, and here we go. So what we need to do is just switch the texture back on. As you see, it's right on the text, and with right click on the texture layer and select create clipping mask, as you see, the texture is clipped to our logo and is inserted, and as you see, you can just drag around and place it wherever you think it looks great. Just close and click save to see our final result. So as you see how magnificent our beautiful style is applied to the logo, and the result is so eye-catching. What you only need to do is just switch the sparkles folder on and place them all in the right place. So we're done right here. All the sparkles are in the right place, and as you see how beautiful it looks, just check out the details. So if you want, you can get a transparent outcome and use it and drag it on all your different projects. Just need to switch off the sparkles, the lights, and the background folder. And as you see, we have a transparent logo right here, which you can use in all your different projects easily. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your time and consideration. If you want to download, just refer to hyperpix.net and join the VIP account, and you're going to access all of our templates. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye to our next video from Mary.